Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to IIT JEE Rankplus. Do you know that there are some techniques which will help you to solve numericals fast? Welcome. My name is Manoj Sir, and I'm your physics mentor, and I'm there for you to help you in your JEE journey. So, are you searching for a technique which will help you to boost your speed while solving the numericals? Yes, then this is the video which you want. The first thing first, let's start the video. The first thing which you have to know is you must have a very strong concept, and the second thing, you must remember all the formulas. Then only whatever I am teaching you will be applicable. Okay, the first thing first, you need to learn all the formulas, and the second thing, you have to remember the fractional values. If I am telling you the fractional values, it means that you must know that 1 divided by 2 is equals to 0.5, 1 divided by 3 is equals to 0.33, 1 divided by 5 is equals to 0.2. So this is how you have to remember all the fractional values till 1 divided by 20 at least. You must remember all the squares and the square roots. These will help you to solve the common calculations, and you'll be saving time a lot. Let's move to the next point. The next point is you have to use a simple steps while solving the numericals. I have seen multiple students solving numericals randomly. You must have a technique, you must have some steps which you must follow. So I am giving you a framework which you can use. First of all, whenever you are studying the question, you have to look for the unknown variables and the known variables. If you know about your variables in the question, you will easily be able to track the formula which you can use. And once you know the formula, you only have to do the calculation. So this is how we approach the numerical. First, you need to read the numerical, and you have to find out the data from the numerical, because the data is important. The question is not important for us when we are solving it for the numerical, right? So you have to look for the unknown, you have to look for the variables in the question, you have to look for whatever given in the question, you have to extract data as much as you can, according to the knowledge, according to the theory which you have studied from the topic, right? And once you get all the known, all the unknown, and the variables used in the question, you will able to track the formula which you can use. Using that formula, you have to calculate. And while doing the calculation, I would be saying that again, there are some techniques. The first technique is, this is the problem solving technique basically. The first technique is you have to break down the problems into multiple parts. I always say to my student that do not see the picture, see the pixels. Divide questions into multiple parts such that you will be able to solve a small part. And once you will be able to solve the small part, connect the dots, and then the complete question will be solved in a very, very short span of time. The second thing which you can use while solving the question is to get your eyes on the dimensional analysis, because it has been observed that in physics mainly, there are few options in which you will be getting only the variables. And if all the options are in variables forms, you can easily check the dimensions. And if the option is dimensionally incorrect, then it won't be your answer. So we will be using the dimensional analysis. And if you want a detailed video on this, that how to use dimensional analysis to get your answers correct, please comment below to get that video. You can use approximation. It's the best technique, because if you are able to see that in the given options, the answers are very, very there is a quite significant difference in the options, then you can use this approximation approach and save your time. Okay, but if you are seeing that the options are very close, then do not use this approximation technique. You cannot take 12.12 as 12 then. because that will change your answer and that will ultimately gives you a negative score. So if you are seeing that the options are very far away, that the options, the difference between the options are very, very high, then only you can use the approximation method. And there are so many shortcuts out there in the market which you can use while solving the numericals, right? So you must remember all the shortcuts and the important patterns of the questions which are coming again and again in your exams. Once you are well acquainted and well prepared for these shortcuts, then only use that. Because I have seen multiple students who learns the shortcut but are using the shortcut in a different conditions. So do not use that. Please be aware that when can you use that shortcut. Okay, then let's move forward. These are some techniques which you can use to improve your problem solving skills. And I have seen a significant changes in my students when they perform these things. You can start with a very simple Sudoku, then move towards the medium level, then the hard level. Try different kinds of puzzles, try to solve reasoning questions, and solve simple calculation in your mind. Do it regularly, will help you to save a lot of time when you are using these techniques in the real-time problems when you are solving your questions in the exam. Is that clear? Let's move towards the final steps. The final step is that you have to now look for the answer, right? You know that when you are solving the MCQs, ultimately you have to choose the correct option. It's not about solving the question, it's about getting the correct answer. So first thing what you can do is checking the unit digit. What is the unit digit? The last digit in a number is known as unit digit. So look for the unit digit, because if you multiply any number, the unit digit will be there. So look for that, you will get that unit digit. Okay, unit digits are very important when you are solving the question using the options. The second thing which you can look for is the dimensions. The third thing is you can look for, think in terms of formula. Do not go beyond the syllabus which is prescribed by the NTA, because if you start thinking in different formats, different dimensions, I would say, the chances of getting wrong answer is very, very high. So do not go into that direction. Please be, I would again saying that, please be in a limit and do multiple questions, do multiple practice, doing all these things again and again. Then only you can be sure that you will be using these techniques, what I'm teaching you, very effectively. And if you really want to learn these techniques, that how I am using these techniques while solving the numericals, come live in my classes, physics classes. You can attend those classes. Already many of the videos are uploaded on the channel, so please go and check the playlist. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, and there is a Telegram link as well in the description. Please join that Telegram link as well. So thank you. And if you want anything else, please let us know by doing the comment. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.